Imagine waking up in a home that not only understands your routines, but anticipates your needs before you even realize them. That's exactly the kind of intelligent living AI-powered smart homes are bringing to reality in 2025. Today's smart homes are no longer limited to simple voice commands or automated lights. AI has evolved into a hyper-personalized household assistant that manages your environment, energy use, entertainment, safety, and overall comfort with incredible precision. In 2025, smart homes can learn your daily schedule so accurately that your lights gradually brighten at the perfect moment. Your blinds open based on your wake-up pattern, and your morning coffee begins brewing even before you step out of bed. AI thermostats adjust temperatures not only by room preference but also by your mood, stress level, and weather predictions. Intelligent security systems recognize family members, track unusual activity, notify you instantly of potential threats, and even communicate with emergency services when needed. Kitchen appliances have become predictive, suggesting meals based on your health goals, checking expiration dates, ordering missing groceries, and preventing food waste. AI-enhanced cleaning robots navigate homes more like humans. They avoid obstacles, detect dirt levels, map entire floor layouts, and even empty themselves. In entertainment, AI creates personalized movie recommendations, adjusts audio based on room size, and synchronizes lighting for immersive experiences. For people working from home, AI improves productivity by managing schedules, filtering notifications, summarizing emails, generating task lists, and adjusting the environment to boost focus. In health monitoring, AI scans air quality, tracks your sleep cycles, analyzes your stress levels, and syncs with wearables to adjust your home environment, thanks to continuous data learning. Homes in the USA, UK, Canada, and Australia are increasingly adopting advanced automation systems that sync all devices into one unified AI brain, capable of communicating across appliances, sensors, and personal devices. With advanced energy optimization, smart homes reduce electricity bills by adjusting usage based on peak hours and learning your lifestyle patterns. Voice assistants have become more conversational and emotionally adaptive, responding with tone awareness, remembering long-term preferences, and holding natural dialogues. AI-based water management systems track leaks, detect abnormal usage, and conserve water automatically. Even home maintenance is becoming smarter. AI predicts when appliances need repair, schedules technician visits, and provides real-time diagnostics. While privacy remains a major concern, new encryption methods and local processing models are helping protect personal data, giving homeowners greater peace of mind. As we move deeper into 2025, AI-powered homes will evolve into living ecosystems, connected, predictive, energy-efficient, supportive, and deeply personalized, transforming the very idea of what it means to live comfortably in the modern world. In the next few years, your home won't just be a place you live in, it will be a partner that learns, adapts, and enhances every part of your daily life.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Keep watching and stay tuned. Bye-bye.